Here's a 1989 Carrier Tech2000 central air conditioner running on a very hot day. Ice cold, working great. This is a 2.5 ton. Tempstar. This has got a Copeland recip in it. $95, 2-ton.
Looks like Humvee.
And I think these are both straight cool units.
That is a Humvee AW.
Yeah.
That's a Humvee AW.
And then Amana right there shut off as well. Definitely not the original motor. I wonder if this unit replaced. Yeah.
Look at the brick.
This one's a heat pump.
Interesting. I don't think those other ones were heat pumps.
They weren't.
Okay. Yeah, this
22. This is a 3-ton 14-seer ASZ model. New insulation and everything. Pretty clean install.
they wrapped it with freaking
There's a little bit of a mark there where the old unit was.
Look, they wrapped the lines with electrical tape. Interesting technique.
Yeah. I thought this was insulation. I missed the fact that that was electric tape.
Freaking electrical tape. Alright.
Installer left this on. I don't know what that is.
This is disconnect. Yeah.
Still left the old disconnect. Over and out.